Guys, it's your girl Anne, and I'm back today with another video. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but the last time I uploaded, I had mentioned to you guys that I was a bit under the weather. I wasn't feeling that great. My voice is a little groggy, but I'm much better now. So the first few clips, you'll see me unbox two of my Wayfair finds. They are wall decor, and I'm so in love with them. They look so beautiful. However, though, I'll be back to show you where I've actually placed them and how I've styled them. But in this video, I'll just show you where I've placed them for now. But yeah, February was my birthday month, so I decided to treat myself to a few new things, as I've mentioned in previous videos. So the first few clips with me unboxing the Wayfair items was filmed and recorded a few weeks ago. And I'm also unboxing and sharing my entryway table, so you guys will also get to see me style it in a few different looks to share with you today. But I did purchase another one that I'm going to unbox and show you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this piece. I think it's beautiful, it's modern, and it goes well with my black and white aesthetics, because you guys know I decorate with modern black and white and a little bit of silver to add a little glam to my decor.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open.
So I'm holding the camera this way so you guys can see how tall it is, because the nail is actually a bit lower, so it should be hung a little bit higher, but that is what it looks like. And I swear I picked a black one, but they sent me a champagne, sort of a champagne gold, but that's fine. I still love them. This one can be hung this way, and it also has an option to hang it like the way my TV is hung, sort of long way, the other way. Yeah, but let me know what you guys think. It's really pretty. I'm not really sure where to put that, but I think I want to put it over my bed and see how it would look. So guys, I have a clip prior to this particular clip where I've hung it above my bed. Comment down below and let me know what you think of it. Comment down below and let me know what you think of it over the bed in my room. Now it's above my sectional. Sorry guys, my throat is itchy. Sorry guys, I had to go have a drink of water. So close up, this is how it looks. The only thing I don't like, guys, it's that it blends in with the wall color. I don't know the wall color because the house was painted in this color when we purchased it. So it's blending it. Holy, my throat's just itching. It's blending in a bit too much with the wall, so I don't like it. So you know what I'm going to be doing? I am going to go ahead and paint it black. I don't know why they sent me this color. I ordered a black one. Anyways, it does, however, look really nice because these pillows have that champagne gold trim in them. But from far, you can barely see it. In person, I can see it. On camera, you can't see it as much as I can see it in person. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a coat or two of some chalk paint that I ordered from Amazon a while back. And I'll come back and show you guys what that looks like. I'm also going to go ahead and most likely unbox my entryway table and style that in this video. I will try to do that. Like I said, I'm not 100% myself. As you guys can hear, my voice is still a little bit on the hoarse side because I have a cold. But yeah, it's a beautiful pleat. It's a It's a beautiful piece and I love how it looks. So guys, finally, after about 2 weeks, I've been much better. My voice is better. My throat isn't as itchy as it was in the first couple of clips, which was recorded a few weeks ago. But as you see me here, I'm putting the table together, and I didn't share taking it out of the box and assembling it from the beginning, but it was pretty easy and straightforward, and I'm glad I finally took it out of my guest washroom where it was behind the door for the past 2 weeks. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the day. So guys, this is how the table turned out and I love it. It's very modern, very sleek. I love the cute little silver protective I have brain freeze right now that it has at the bottom to help protect it from the floor, and underneath it has like a little rubber part, so even if I move it around it won't scratch my hardwood floors. I love the opening and that I'm able to see my hardwood floors. It just gives the illusion of a lot more space, and I love this. It's almost like a glass table where you can see through. And I love that this part allows me to add an ottoman for extra seating, to put your shoes on or whatever. And then this cute little shelving that it has here allows me to add other to accessorize it with other small home decor, or with coffee table books, as you see that I've done here. The coffee table books are all from Amazon. This I got from Amazon, but it was in a natural wood finish and I painted it black. I actually painted it gold over the fall season to use it, but I've painted it black since. This came from Wayfair for like $30-something, and it's so tiny, but I love the abstract. I love the abstract art, the abstractness about it. I'm lost for words today. And then I love how it doesn't have a lot of width, but it has enough width that it allows me to decorate it with a lamp for extra lighting near my entryway, and to add decorative items, like how I've added some more coffee table books that I've had for a few years from Amazon. This also came from Amazon. And then this was a thrift find from Value Village that I purchased maybe 3-4 years ago. These also came from Amazon. And that's how I've styled it right now. The ottoman is actually from my bedroom, but I just placed it there just to see how it would look. And I've just styled it out in my favorite color palette, which is my black and white. So you guys know that's what I love. But I'm gonna share a few other ways to style this. and come back and show you guys. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below about my table. I don't know if I mentioned, it came packaged nicely. There was no damage. It wasn't really that hard to put together. It was really simple and easy. I didn't even really have to follow the instructions, but I did look at it in order to know which nails went where. And what's amazing about this item is that all of the pieces had letters on it. So did all of the nails that came in the individual little bags. So it was easy to follow the instructions based on the letters and letting me know what nails I should use for to assemble the table. So yeah, so easy peasy. So guys, here's another look. So I borrowed this thrifted vase that I got from Valley Village a few years ago. These are some eucalyptus stems as well, but these are different from the ones that I styled the round vase with. And those also came from Amazon. I added a white chain link, and then I just added both of the Magnolia coffee table books by Joanna Gaines. My candlesticks, I kept my lamp, and that is from Winners. The other one is over there, as I mentioned. And then those are just some DIY canvas art that I did back in the fall. And I kept the same velvet black ottoman with the gold rim, silver rim I should say, not gold. So this is my other look. Let me know what you guys think. I'm doing a lot more, I think this year you guys will notice that I'm decorating a lot with a lot more greenery. I'm sort of transitioning a little bit and being a little bit more organic in my decor, steering away from too much of the shiny decor. I don't know, I'm going through a change and some sort of process, guys, bear with me. But yeah, I'm sort of loving the organic and really simple sort of way to style your home. I find it so relaxing and so calming instead of having so many shiny things. Don't get me wrong, I still like my little shininess, and you'll probably see more of that in like my bedrooms, in my bedroom area and things like that. But for down here, I'm sort of going through a little transitional phase to sort of let the dining room and the living room complement how the kitchen is set up and the way the aesthetic is in there. More organic, natural brown tone. So a little transition. But yeah, let me know what you think of this look. So guys, this is another look that I'm sharing with you guys. My second look. I kept the same vase. I added some eucalyptus stems that I got from Amazon. I switched out a few of the books and I added the Joanna Gaines Magnolia table. I kept this little decorative piece here. I added the these coffee table books on top here that were at the bottom, and then this little decorative abstract piece that was there I put there. So really simple, but it still gives you that luxe look for less, and I kept the same ottoman. So let me know what you think about the second one. Well guys, I think this is my final look. These are some storage boxes that I got from Amazon. You can put your remotes in there and style your coffee table with it. And then these came from H&M Home, and I've styled it with some tulips. Spring, summer is approaching, but you can decorate with tulips all year round, but a lot of people tend to bring out their tulips more like in the springtime, you know, for Easter, and sometimes mostly in the summertime. I have about 2 sets of these. I did get them from Amazon a few years ago, and they are real to the touch. They do look like they're real tulips that you would put in water, but they are faux. And then I just kept this Joanna Gaines book. I lit up a candle for some ambiance and for, you know, something nice and something that smells really nice once you walk in the door. You can either put a candle at your entryway or you can put diffusers. So when your guests or yourself come in, there's something, you know, sweet smelling in the air. or to greet you, I should say, as well. And then these are just some candle accessories that I got from Amazon. And yeah, I sort of wanted the colors to sort of match these eucalyptus stems because they're more of a creamy sort of color, not really white. So I think it blends really nicely with the boxes and the Joanna Gaines book, as well as with the candle. So let me know what you guys think. I might share another look with you guys. So here's my last look that I'm sharing with you guys. I brought back my round glossy thrifted vase from Valley Village that I got a few years ago, like I mentioned. I brought in some white florals with a little bit of greenery. I've had these for a few years. I think I got them from Michael's a few years ago, and then I just added a greenery stem that I got from Amazon. And then at the bottom I added some creamy white coffee table books. This was a thrift find that is from Amazon by Nikki Boyd, who is a YouTuber here on YouTube. This is a DIY black vase that I shared with you guys a few videos ago when I did like a little refresh makeover for the winter in this area using the previous bookshelf that I have here. If you're new and watching for the first time, I'll create a playlist with some of the different ways that I styled this area with the bookshelf that I used to have here, and you guys can check that out. And these are just some moss balls I've had for a few years that I purchased from Amazon. I brought back my Chanel and my Elements of Style coffee table book, and just a little decorative abstract piece. Like I said, I got this from Wayfair a few weeks ago, and then my lamp is there. And then this is just some DIY canvases I did over the fall season last year. And that's it, guys. I think I sort of like this look. It has a little bit of greenery that complements all of the greenery that you see in the background there, and the white flowers complement all of the other white elements and decorative items that I have in the living room area. You can decorate black on black. It looks really nice. You can also do black and white to help brighten up the table because the entryway table is black, but black and black looks really nice as well. You can add silver, you can add gold, but I sort of love black and white a lot because I decorate with silver accents, metal. The white sort of helps to soften up the silver metals that I normally use throughout the year. Anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope that you'll join me on my next video. I don't know when that will be, but like I said, comment down below. Let me know what you think of the coffee table, and let me know about the different looks that I've shared with you guys in this video. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope I've inspired you in some way with what I've shared in this video today. I love you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, double tap your post notification bell. That way you'll always get alerts when I upload a new video. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.